Greetings. Welcome to Physical Science in the AM. We are in progress. We were just working on these. We're going to take up the first bit of these. 92 grams of sodium. We already did this one. So I'll just jot it down. That's 1 mole for every 22.99 grams. And that comes out to be 4.002 significant digits moles per minute. Now, a bromine atom, this is not bromine, the molecule. A bromine atom is 79.90 grams. Grams on the bottom, so they cancel out. 1 mole. Now, what is 240 divided by 79.90? Wait. 3.00. Okay, good. Perfectly 3.00? Yep. So that's moles of, this is bromine atoms, not the molecule. And magnesium is 24 and 24.21. 1 mole on the top. What you want to keep is on the top. 24.31 grams. The grams cancel. This will be about a quarter. Let's see here. 6.0 divided by 24.31. In your calculator, you get 0.2468. But we only have 2 significant digits here, 4 significant digits here, but we always go with the smallest amount. So we're going to keep it and round it properly to 0.25 moles of magnesium atom, the element magnesium. Carbon is 12.01. So I'm going to use that. 1 mole, what I want to keep is on the top. 12.01 grams carbon. 6 divided by 12.01 is half. So we're going to use that. Properly rounded. Only 2 significant digits. Moles of carbon atoms. Uranium is downtown here. 238. Uranium 238.03. Grams cancel. Significant digits is 0.025. Now, I want to just point something out. To you for the last 3. I intentionally put 6 grams on each one of them, just to keep you aware that 6 grams of an element is not necessarily the same number of carbons. In this case, it's 0.25 of a mole, half of a mole, 0.025 of a mole. It depends on how heavy the element is, molar mass. That's all it is, just pointing out. Now, these ones, and I've noticed people have started, are now molecules. So we're still going grams to mole, but same skill, 1 mole is something grams. What you want to keep is on the top. What you want to get rid of is on the bottom. We're going to cancel our grams. But we need grams. So I think in my calculator, I'm going to write down 1 carbon, so that's 1 group of 1201, plus 2 groups of oxygen, 2 times the 16. Just put it directly in your calculator. 44.01. I was showing the scratch work just so you know what I was thinking the other day, but we're moving on. 88 divided by 44 is 2. So we're going to use 2.00, 3 significant digits. 88. And that's moles. And it's CO2. Continue on with these. But I'm going to just do something here for the first one in number 3, just because it's finally something slightly different. moles of, I did this on purpose. I put cobalt and then carbon monoxide. Just to emphasize, it's really important when you use small letters and capital letters. C small o is cobalt. C large o is carbon monoxide. Now, out of these four, which one do you want me to do, actually? A, B, C, or D? D. I figured D. Because the formula is there. Iron 3 bromide. So my scratch work is looking up iron. It already tells you, though, that it's 3. That's part of the name. Bromide, I have to look that up, but it's a -1 charge. So what is the formula is what I'm really thinking. I'm going to rewrite this one. It is 0.7800, 4 significant digits, moles of FeBr3. That's important because, add it up, 3 bromine. So the Fe, the iron, 55.8 plus 3 groups, so 3 times 79.1, 295.5. Keep that in my head for a second here. Oh, wait, these are the opposite of the other one. We want to keep grams. So grams, 295.5. We have the 1 mole on the bottom. Okay. I'll make that. Grab. Ah, board isn't responding. I'll try one last time. So this is equal to, well, it's multiplication because it's only divided by 1. 95.5. Now, I can keep 4 significant digits on this one. So we got 230.5. That's not a full mark answer though, because moles cancel. We got grams on the top. FeBr. But the really important thing is, you know how to decide when grams go on the top and moles go on the bottom, or vice versa? What you want to get rid of is the way I think. If moles are here, you want to get rid of them from down 10. The grams is always the decimal number from the periodic table. Finish these questions. Oh yeah, you should be done. Okay, I'll just take up these two real quickly though. And 83 grams of potassium iodide. When I added it up, now stop me if I make a mistake, I got 166.00 grams. When I divided it, I get 0.502 significant digits. Grams are gone, so we're left with moles and chemical potassium iodide. Oxygen is 2 times 16, so 16 grams. 8.00, 3 significant digits, moles of oxygen. I'll leave that up for 2 seconds. Okay, this one here, 1 mole is, added up, 74.10 grams. If I divide that, 2 significant digits, 0.067. Front zeros never count. Moles of calcium hydroxide. The next one, I'll actually show the scratch work because there's a chance. 2 ALs. There is 3 groups of S because SO4 3 times. And 3 times 4, 12 groups of oxygen. So in my calculator, I just do it as we speak, I put 2 tons of aluminum, 26.9. check in a second. I get distracted. 3 times 32.0 plus 12 times 16. That's large. You said 342.17?
I said 330.
Madeline, what'd you get? 342? 1.7.
Okay. My calculator is
You are recorded saying that. Okay. Send the clip to your mom. 1 mole per 342. Okay.
I've been doing it once.
I don't know about that. More significant digits. So 162 moles Al2 SO4. Okay. Is this matching people? Like Madeline, you got a match? I trust you. All right. These ones start off 2 simple. Actually, these are 3 simple. Cobalt. This time we've got to get rid of mole, so I put mole on the bottom. You know what to cancel when I put the grams. Cobalt. I find cobalt in the center. 58.93. And I multiply because they're both on the top. 0.35 times 58.9. I get 3 significant digits, 20 and 6/10 of a gram of cobalt. Now the difference here is carbon monoxide, CO, but it's capital. Want to get rid of moles. The grams per 12.01 plus 16, 28.01. I multiply get 9.80. Water finally, we know that's H2O, so I'll just go with it. And H2O, so 2.02 is the multiply to 101, plus 16 is 1802. Which is equal to 81.09, but I got to cut it back. Always risk the count. Okay, we have completed this. I'll just leave this up for a moment.